Now, sounds of O. So, let's read the words aloud. Words having OB. Bob, job, mob, rob. Now, words having OD. Cod, hod, god, rod. Words having OG. Bog, cog, dog, fog. Now, words having OP. Cop, top, hop, pop. Now, words having OT. Cot, dot, got, pot. Now, words having OW. So, low, row, cow. Now, read and rhyme. So, let's read and rhyme. This is Jot. Jot saw a pot. The pot has a red dot. The pot is hot. The hot pot is under the cot. Now, let's practice. Match the following. So, students, here you can see some sentences and here you can see some pictures. You have to read the sentences first and then observe the picture and then match them accordingly.